Hello everyone, this is a project that had just launched yesterday, and I dropped a guide on how to go about the mining and registration and how to link your wallet. But here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send out these tokens to your Trust wallet. Currently, you can see the mainnet is live, and whatsoever you mine in this project can be sent automatically to either Trust wallet or MetaMask or the Coinbase wallet. These are the three options currently. There are three options currently you can use to receive your tokens that this Access network here support, and those are the three wallets that I just mentioned. So I'm just going to be showing you how to link your wallet directly, and I'll be making use of Trust wallet in this video because Trust wallet is more faster for me to use. All right, you can make use of any option that you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna click right here. As soon as you click right here in this option, then it's gonna bring out the three options that the platform supports. Go ahead and click on Trust wallet. All right, so let me just show you how to go about the process. Ensure you watch the video to the end, and while you're doing it, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to the channel. So for those of you that haven't started mining, I'll be dropping the link at the video description. Use the link and access the app and get started with this airdrop project so that you don't miss out for any reason. All right, so you click right here in this button like I told you. When you click right here, the three options are gonna be brought out. So then you see this wallet address right here. This is the address in my wallet. Okay, this is the address in my wallet. So whenever I click right there, it's going to bring out this my wallet. I had already linked my wallet already, but whenever you click on that options, you have to select any wallet of your choice. Then I'll be making use of just my Trust wallet. It's going to load up this section right here. Go ahead and click on this Trust wallet because it's more easier. So you click on it. After clicking on it, it's going to bring out this button. It's going to highlight show up this pop-up message where you can see the RPC network name of the token, and then the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol which is Access, and the Explorer. This Explorer here helps you to track any activity that's going on or that you've done using this mainnet. That is the work of the Explorer. So afterwards, you just go ahead and click on this on the Connect wallet right below right here. Okay, this is the Connect wallet you have to click. After clicking on that Connect wallet, it's going to take you to it's going to open up to your Trust wallet, and it will load up this section right here where you can see all those details that I showed you. So just go ahead and click on this import button, and then as soon as you click on that import, it grants the permission from your app, from your Trust wallet app. The chain is going to be added automatically to your Trust wallet. So go ahead and click on this OK button right here, and afterwards just go ahead and click on this Connect wallet again, and then you are good to go. Now, and after clicking on that Connect button and it has shown successful, what you have to do is just go back to your Trust wallet right here. You can click right here to go back, or you can just minimize and open your Trust wallet. And as soon as I open my Trust wallet, just scroll down, you can now see Access token. You can see here this Access token right here. All right, this is the coin, the mainnet that has been added, that we have just successfully added to our Trust wallet. So anytime you want to start sending and receiving the Access token, just click on this Access right down here. Just click on the wallet for you to receive. Then you see your information for sending and receiving of the token. So anytime you want to receive your token, you just have to click on send or receive. Just click on this receive button right here. Okay, copy the address, and after copying the address, now we'll head back to our mining app, which is the Access network, and go and paste the amount of Access points you want to be sending to our Trust wallet. And anytime we hit that send button from our Access network mining app, we are going to be sending any token right here, and the token is going to be appearing right here in our Trust wallet. Pending when the listing is going to be announced, the token will be trading automatically from your wallet. So kindly ensure that you stay subscribed or you are connected in the Telegram group so that you always stay updated, and whenever I'm dropping any latest update or the listing that has to do with Access Network. All right. Right now we are back in the app where we can conduct the transfer. Let me just show you a live way on how to transfer this little token right here. In case you want to transfer any amount, just follow this guide. So now we've added our wallet into Trust Wallet, and we've added the mainnet into the Access mainnet into Trust Wallet. Now I want to transfer. Always click right here, this section, this more, and after clicking on more, you come to network. Click on network, and then it's going to bring out the network details. This is the network details right here. Now you want to send out your points to Trust Wallet, so click right here. You click right here, okay? All right, now after clicking right there, it's going to show up this page. This page is going to pop out. Just go ahead and paste that wallet address that you copied from Trust Wallet right here. So I'll paste that address that I copied from Trust Wallet right there, and afterwards I'm going to insert the maximum. Click on maximum. All right, now this is the one that I've mined. I mined up to 0.28, but 0.002 is going to be used as a gas fee. All right, so now just go ahead and click on confirm transaction, and then the system is going to process the transaction automatically for you. Now processing, you can see processing transaction right there. It is going to be handled, okay, and in few seconds after clicking on this confirm, it's going to be processed, and in few seconds the coin or the point is going to be sent to your Trust Wallet. Then you can head over to your Trust Wallet and you see it sitting right there, okay? You see it sitting right there. So kindly ensure that you like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you will always be notified on time. See you in the next video.